So in this lesson, we are taking a look at fractional sizes as it relates to the whole. So in evaluating fractional parts, for fractional parts to be equal, they must be the same size and have the same value. So let's take a look at number one. Are these fractional parts equal? The answer is no, and I'll explain to you why. So we have three different rectangles here that are partitioned into fourths, okay? Even though they are all in fourths, they are different sizes. So we have a small rectangle here, a medium-sized rectangle, and a large rectangle. So even though they are different sizes, they are all 1/4. So this small one is partitioned into 1/4. The medium-sized one is also 1/4, and the larger one is 1/4. So the fractional parts are not equal because they are not the same size, but they do have the same value. So remember, when considering fractional parts, you want to take a look at both the size and the value. Number two, are these fractional parts equal? And looking or thinking about our last problem, I would say no. So we have circles that are partitioned into eighths, but the eighths of each circle are a different size. So this is large, medium, and then small. So even though the fractional parts of the circle are different sizes, they have the same value. So this is 1/8, this is 1/8, and that is 1/8. Those are the same. So our answer, the fractional parts are not equal because they are not the same size, but they do have the same value. Remember, always consider the size and the value. And our third problem, it says partition rectangle A into 6 equal parts, partition rectangle B into 8 equal parts. Are the fractional parts equal? Now this one is a little different than the last two, but they are still, the fractional parts are still not equal, and I'll tell you why. So the sizes of the rectangles are definitely the same. However, the fractional part of A is 1/6, and the fractional part of B is 1/8. So the fractional parts are not equal because they are the same size, but they do not have the same value. Okay, so that is it for today, boys and girls. Remember the key things when evaluating fractional parts, determining if they're equal or not. You want to look at the size, very good, and the value. You got it. That is it. As always, take care, and I will see you soon.